Hey everyone, today we're discuss about need of operating system. Operating system is a program that acts as an interface between the system hardware and the user, making the tasks easier. What work can do operating system? Memory management. It is the function responsible for managing the computer's primary memory. The memory management function keeps track of the status of each memory location, either allocated or free. Process management. It involves tasks related to processing like creation, scheduling, termination, deadlock, etc. Device management. It is the act and skill of overseeing the installation, operation, and upkeep of a computer or network. File management. It is nothing but software that manages or handles the files, video, audio, docs, PDF, text, etc., present in computer software. Input-output operation. Any program, device, or operation that transfers data to or from a computing system. In other words, I/O is the way we transfer data from the system to the user and vice versa.